Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Y'all, I messed up. I received a brand package from BTARTBOX. If you guys don't know, you guys have been living under a rock. BTARTBOX recently collabed with Long Hair Pretty Nails, and I ended up receiving this package well over 2 months ago, before my son was even born. He is already about to be 9 weeks. Excuse my voice. He's about to be 9 weeks, so it is, yeah, well overdue that I open this package for you and show you what I received. Again, like I stated, they did collab with Long Hair Pretty Nails. If you guys don't know who she is, you are definitely living under a rock. She is probably one of the first persons I ever encountered when I started posting my YouTube and just seeing what kind of content I wanted to post. And being in the nail world, she would do polygel and acrylic, and I kind of veered off and started my own thing with hard gel. But she is one of the first inspirations that ever, you know, I could think of that came to mind when it came to doing nails. So I am actually really excited about this. They did send me the collab, and I actually did a video before this video. It was a Halloween nail design that I incorporated with these nails, and I never got to post it. I never got to edit it. So again, it's like I'm like all over the place. But I wanted to do another set and make up for the lost video that I never posted. The nails are freaking amazing. Let's just open it. I'll actually only have like an hour to do my nails. I'm just gonna get started because I don't got time. The twins have a half a day, so I want to get this done before they come. So for this design, I kind of wanted to do a cheetah print. This is so freaking pretty. The nails and the shape on these are freaking everything, you guys. They look so freaking good. Don't mind this hand. I was watching a movie. I bit this one off, but this was the Halloween set that I did previously, and they're still on, except for this one. Like I said, I bit this one off. Yeah, so we're gonna use these. Again, these are these little, I don't know if they come in other shapes. Honestly, I didn't really do my research, which I probably should have, but I do have a promo code for you guys. You can go in the descriptions and look at that. But this is what those are looking like. The shape is freaking amazing. This is probably one of my favorite shapes as well. The length is awesome, but we're gonna go with these. These are the other ones. We have a butterfly one that has like kind of like cat eye on top of it. This one is a cherry one, which is really cute. The gold one, you guys know I'm in love with, but I'm saving this for something special another day. And then, as stated, I did use this one already in a video that I never posted. So yay. But we're gonna go in with these. First of all, can I just say how freaking cute is the packaging? I honestly really wish they would have, she has like pink nails on this. I wish they would have used one of the designs she has on the nails, but it's really cute. I love it. So cute. I keep saying Bart's. It's BTARTBOX. What is wrong with me? Okay, really fast, I'm gonna just measure these out and see what size I am. And I pretty much know my sizes already. So my ring is this one. This is metal. Once I find one nail, it's pretty easy for me to find the rest of them. Oh my god, my hands are dirty. What is that black stuff on it? Hubby is with the baby. They're sleeping, so I'm trying to be quick with this. Okay, found it. Love. Now with these nails, I wanted, maybe I should put a glove so you're not seeing how ugly these look. I wanted to go ahead and add these. Look at how freaking cute. These are Coco and Chanel inspired items. I ended up digging up in my drawer. I really wanted to put like this money symbol as well because I need some energy of wealth, money coming to me. And a couple of these, I'm not gonna use all of them. I'm gonna use a couple. I really like this bow, and I think I want to have it dangling on one. I think that'll be really cute. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is, before I even put it on, I think I'm going to, on the ring nail, because I want the dangling piece in the ring, I'm gonna make the hole. Okay, so I have this tool. Just gonna flip. I'm gonna make the hole on this side, right here. Apply pressure and then screw. Well, that was pretty easy. Yay, got my hole. Okay, really quick, I'm just gonna open this. I got these little circle things from Amazon, I think. I don't know, I couldn't grip it with that other tool. There we go. Ew. Go in the hole. Let me open this one. Sorry if you guys can see. I'm gonna put this kind of here. You know what? I probably don't even need. Just see what it looks like. Yeah, that's too dangly. I'm gonna take this. I want it to dangle, but I don't want it to dangle too much. And these are two different circles. So I'm gonna use a smaller circle so it's not looking so large and round. And I'm gonna use the smaller circle for the dangly piece. Go in. Okay, got it to work. Oh my god, that is so freaking cute. Look at my bow. Look at my bow. Okay. We're gonna add them. Let's do prep first. As stated, I don't have a lot of time. I'm not gonna cut my nails. I'm trying to let my nails grow and see how long I can grow them out. So I'm just going in really fast. 180 sanding band. I'm gonna go around the cuticle part. Just remove the shine. Nothing crazy. I haven't did a video like this face to face in so long, so it's kind of funny. Why is the lighting weird? I don't know if that's better. I made it worse. Okay, we're gonna see how fast I can do this. So 180 sanding band going over the surface, removing the shine, and I am at 7,000 RPM. And I am a little higher because I do have gel, so I'm not too worried about the speed. I can go higher if I want, but I'm just gonna stay right there. I'm gonna go ahead, do the dehydrator. Dehydrate my nails. I'm gonna go in with my rubber base coat. They do have their own gel glue that you can go ahead. They have like a thicker glue and then a thinner consistency one. But we're just gonna go in with mine because I don't even know where I put theirs. So rubber base coats, and we can do this fast. I'm just gonna apply that all over really quick. My cuticles look crazy. I need some cuticle oil. I'm gonna add there, and you don't need to etch the inside because it is a matte surface, which is awesome. This might be the fastest I've ever done my nails. I'm gonna hold it there, bring it down, and then cure. Beautiful, look at that. That is so freaking pretty, the shape. Again, we're gonna do this to all of them. These nails are so freaking pretty. Coffee break. Now I'm a cuticle biter, so my nails, my cuticle, like the skin, they look rough. And I blame it on like if I'm like watching a movie that I'm really into, or if I'm just thinking about something in general, I will bite my cuticles. It's like the worst habit you can have. This is hard to hold. I think I put too much gel. Did I? I did. It's okay. That's a lot. We're making great time. The boys have a half a day because it is parent-teacher conference, so y'all know how that goes. Oh my god. That is adorable. I love it. I love it. Damn, I am putting so much gel on. Do not leave the gel, like when it's cured on the side of the nail, wipe it off or try to pick it off immediately. Don't leave it on your skin. Regardless if the product is like HEMA free, you can still get an allergy from the other ingredients that is in gel, just so you know. It's not only HEMA that can cause allergies. Even though mine is HEMA free, I'm just pointing that out. Okay, last finger. The shape on these is so pretty. I am so happy for, this was such a great collab. Okay, got them all on. We're gonna cure 60 seconds. Curing in a full-size lamp. When I use this, this is a flash cure. I usually do it at least like 5 to 10 seconds, maybe 15. But once I finish this, oh my god, it's on. Once I flash cure it, I do put my hand in a full size lamp for a full 60 seconds. The full size lamp has a stronger wattage, so it's making sure it's like penetrating through and making sure that everything is like fully cured. Okay, so what I want to do really fast is try to pick off the gel. That just peels right off. Pick or snip away. I'm getting under that, pulling skin back, getting under it. Look at that. You can file or do this. I just feel like peeling it is like easier. This is what we are working with. Cute. Really quick, just to clean up the cuticle part a little bit more. I'm gonna go on the ball cuticle bit. That's 6. I'm just gonna go over the edge because my cuticle is looking a little rough. Clean that up. I have only a few minutes before Huggy has to go get the boys and then the babies in my hands. So that's why I'm like rushing. But at least I have nails on, which is good. Okay, really fast. I'm just gonna go over and just buff the surface because I want to add some stones and those charms on top. So just to give it a little bit of roughness so the glue would adhere. So hubby had to go get the boys. He's not gonna let me do the nail. But this is what we have so far. Let me do this. How freaking cute are they? I'm gonna try to put him down and see. Look at how big he is. Look at my munchkin. He's already, we have to get bigger sizes. This is already 3 months. He's not even 3 months yet, but he's a big boy, right? You're a big boy. You're a big boy. Hi, my munchkin. Hi, baby. Okay, we're gonna put you down and see if I could do my nails. Okay, so I have him on the bouncy thing. Hopefully he don't get mad at me because he be getting mad. I didn't start anything yet. Okay, so I got him settled, I hope. But I ended up taking out the bling box. I have, what is this? Champagne and emerald. We're going in with the champagne side, and then I have the jet and smoky topaz. We're going in with the jet side. I did just pull out the smaller sizes because the other stuff is kind of large and I just wanted a little bit of bling, not a lot. Okay, we're going in with the Bling It No Wipe Rhinestone Gel. I'm trying to go fast. Starting with the pinky, apply this on the entire surface. This wipes non-tacky, so you don't have the tacky layer. I'm using this as my glue and my top coat. So one less step that I gotta do. Go with the Chanel symbol, so freaking cute. Got a cuticle bar. Cuticle bars are my sites, LGMPro.com. Then I think I'm gonna just do one big black stone right there. Something different, something cute. I like that. We're gonna cure that quick. This next one, keeping it simple. Again, applying this. Now this one I have to be careful because I did have the dangling piece and I don't want the dangling piece to get stuck. So I'm gonna try to go around that. Oh my god, baby, you're doing so good. Let me shut up before I jinx it. For this, I have this large piece. I honestly don't remember where I got these pieces. It could have been Temu, Shein, AliExpress I used to shop in, or Amazon. So, but a lot of these, oh no, get off. A lot of the charms is pretty easy to find. Okay, next nail. I'm gonna go with the Chanel. This bow, this gorgeous bow. Actually, I'm gonna bring this down. Do you want to bring it down? Damn, I wish. So there's a trick where you can warm this up. You put it either in like hot water or like a heater, like if you have a coaster, and it'll like fold and mold into the shape of your nail. I don't have time right now, so if I could like clip it off and do it later, I will. But for now, we're just gonna place it for the sake of the video. We're doing these right in the middle. I think I'm gonna do like one. I could do champagne here and here and call it a day. Something simple, quick, easy. 1, 2, 3, cute. Love it. I really wish it would bend, but it is super stiff. And like I said, I don't got time for it. I'm trying to do this before the boys get home, which they're about to be here any minute. I thought I had an hour, but when I looked at the time, it was literally like a half an hour. And then I had to cut that short, like 10-15 minutes, because hubby has to leave to get to the school, which means I literally only had like 15 minutes before I had the baby. But we're making good time, which is good. And he's quiet. Let me stop jinxing it. Next nail, doing cuticle bar. Gorgeous flower right on top. So pretty. What do I want to do? I want to do a black, jet black here. Oh my god, these are coming out so freaking cute. He's moving so much. He's getting fuzzy. Please, baby, I'm almost done. He looks so angry. One nail left, guys. One nail. Okay, thumb. Let's go. Let's do this quick. Oh no, I think you're home. Yep. You're home. Hi, baby.
Mom, where are you?
Right here.
I got 555 on my test.
555?
Yeah.
What?
I got 569.
Yeah, that's good, guys. Proud of you. Say hi to the baby. Entertain him while I finish this. Y'all, they are extra. They are so freaking extra. Oh my god, so cute. These were fast. These were so fast. Listen, the BTARTBOX and the Long Hair Pretty Nails collab is awesome. If you're in a tight pinch and just don't want to put some nails on really fast, go get this kit, because get the nails, because you could always like jazz it up like I did. Look at how freaking pretty these are. I am so pleased. Definitely try heating these up if you are using these type of little charms. Heat them up in hot water or use the coasters, sit them on top. They make them flexible and soft so you can bend it to your nail. Do that so they're not like sticking up like this. Let me know what you guys think of this nail design. They're really cute. Feels luxury. If you have this, let me know what you guys think. I love. I'm so happy for her. Congratulations on your collab. Long Hair Pretty Nails. Evie, should I call her? That's actually my sister's name, which is funny. But anyway, I'm really pleased, and I'm excited to see what other colors, if they do more collabs like this, what do you guys think they're gonna look like? I'm actually really excited. I'm wondering if they have, I gotta go on the site because I gotta see if there's another shape to these. I'm loving the shape on these, to be honest. I'm not mad at all. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. What do you guys think of the collab and the other colors if you want to see another design with this? The awesome part about it is you can mix and match the nails, which is cool. I like the all matchy. I don't know. I think they look really cute. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. That is it for this video. And hopefully I can push out another video really soon. Press my fingers. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love ya.